Hey, what's up everybody? It's another day and we are going to be doing a mod on the Miata. The front lip. We got this off eBay. They're super cheap, but from what I've seen in photos, they make the car look 100 times better. All right, the front end of this car is beat up, yes, but I definitely want to make it look better. So this lip, it's made to sit right in there. Yeah, we're gonna go bolt that in. I think it only takes 2 bolts. Let's see. Yeah, looks like 2 bolts. And we're gonna go knock that out. Super excited. The front end of the car does clear absolutely everything. So hopefully this doesn't make life harder because it kind of does scratch coming into the driveway, but yeah, we don't care about that. Today we care about looking better and we're gonna go ahead and throw it on. Let's get it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, especially if you're new, because you guys saw the thumbnail and it looked super dope. All right, I appreciate it. Let's get to work. All right. So we kind of have limited space, so we're gonna go roll the Miata back another 6 inches to get the maximum area possible. Yeah, we can do that one more time. All right, we definitely scratched the rear bumper just a little bit. I'm the best. This isn't even for the Miata, don't trip. This is for the Evo. All right, so this thing on. I did notice that you can actually put it in front of the flap, so I'm gonna try to do that and see where that lets us go. Might work, might not. Probably won't, but we about to find out. All right, it works if you pop out the front clip. That's awesome. So there's just that one clip, and then it definitely worked. There we go. So you can still keep the spat if you want to. Pull this side up. Yo, that looks so much better. Wow, it's a nice lip. Fitment's whatever. It's not terrible. If you put a gasket in here, I'm sure it would look very good. Just a little gap there, but I'm very surprised. I mean, you could just cut out that spat because it sticks out, but very cool. I'd rather keep the spat, to be honest, so I'll probably run another screw through there to hold it in place. Yeah, so let's turn this wheel. Be right back, I'm gonna grab my keys. Let's turn this wheel, turn on this car. It looks really sporty with that front lip. Damn. And I really gotta take this old tint off. It looks horrible. Doesn't sound terrible, but it definitely sounds like it needs a valve adjustment. So we're just gonna be using some self-entrench screws for now, and then I'll probably use some beauty washers to make it look better. Here we go. So that and these, we'll head back to the car, and we should have enough room. So I wanna put, cool, and then we'll do one to hold in the actual lip. Alright, that ain't going nowhere. Dope. Kept the spat, kept the lip. Awesome. Check it out, check it out. Oh yeah. Definitely lower though. Alright, now we just gotta hit up this side. This is a tight squeeze right here. I don't know what to do with this front bumper though. I'm debating on either getting a new one, maybe doing the NC3 conversion. There isn't much options. Cool, that went very easily. Let's just eyeball this. Wow, don't do that. There we go. And just like that. It's done. Lip ain't gonna go nowhere. We could put another one, but I feel like it'll just damage something. The gap actually looks really good. But I'd say it definitely lowers the front end about 1 inch and extends the front about 3 inches. We'll say 2 inches. And will definitely make it a little bit harder to get into driveways and stuff. But good thing I'm a master angler, so I'm not too worried. I do have a question for you guys. Those of you that do have the NC, is these gaps normal? Because I can see the foam from the actual inside and a little bit from the top. Maybe this headlight's not put in right or the bumper got jacked up. I do know he hit something in the road. Dang, look at those rotors though. If you guys missed that video, I'll put it up over here. But rotors came out good. I do want to see what my friends can do about getting all this damage fixed. Not too worried. It'll be a track bumper. So I do want to do the vent over here, but I also need to finish this cold air intake because, let me pop this hood. This guy. Because if you look at the cold air that's in there right now, which is a DC Sports, it's actually just a short ram because probably just didn't want to remove the bumper to finish it. So I have the rest of the piping, but what I don't like about this is it's free and this is pinched as well. So look at that. Don't like that. But other than that, as for the engine, I just got to find somebody or figure out how to do the valve adjustment myself because that's what it sounds like it needs. And yeah, I think everything's pretty good. I wiped this up the other day. I'm still blown away by how much room that has. That's ridiculous. It's just an open pocket. You could put like a figurine or there. But yeah, the engine bay is not bad. Trying to clean it up. If the rest of the car is not gonna look that great on the outside, I want the bay to look pretty cool. And definitely need to fix this rip in this chair. I'm gonna have the wife sew that up or get a new cover. And I wanna do something about this cup holder because driving it, you see how it just protrudes out? Like, maybe I'll cut it off. I don't know. It's pretty irritating. Who actually uses that as a water hub? Yeah, this is the next thing we're gonna do. We're gonna go fix this tint because I guess the previous owner was trying to remove it. But if you look at this side, they removed the first layer, but not the residue. So you can't even see through that side mirror at all. But yeah, guys, that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If it helped you guys out, hit that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys really like the content and want to get notified whenever I upload new content, hit that notification bell. Really appreciate you guys getting to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys did really enjoy it because I make this stuff for you guys and just to document what I do in my spare time. But I'll see you guys next time. All right, peace.